have dinner. You will be my main course. Come with me, girl. Forget your boyfriend. Let's do, girl. Now forget my girlfriend. Want me kabalo? Nakabantay ang trato. I'm sad.
Welcome to the fucking show. This is Imomantico, the fucking show. At ang aking background ngayon ay tigilan mo ang girlfriend ko, papasagin ko ang pagmumukha mo by the Smooth Friction. Hope you like that song. So, muli naman po tayo nagbabalik. At sana naman ay nagustuhan nyo. At salamat po pala sa mga live listeners po natin. Then, still inviting naman po. Well, invite naman po tayo. Magtatag po tayo sa Facebook. So, anyway, highway. Shout out po pala sa mga Arabian Ceramics dyan na nakikinig ngayon. Especially to all of my friends there, just say hello. And also, sa mga kapatiro ng INC dyan, happy Santa Cena. Sa mga nagbabanal hapunan po dahil proud to be Iglesia ni Cristo po ako. So, anyway, highway, just tagging here. Tag. Tagging. Nadella. Where's Nadella? It's just sing the song, joining the song, man. Hope you like that song, man. Are we good? Yeah, hope you're good, man. Enjoying the song, using music. So, habang nagtatag ako ngayon, kaysa naman maubos na naman ang oras natin, well, sa ating, I'm done tagging now. So, sa mga nakikinig po ngayon, especially sa mga mahilig po sa music yan, especially on OPM rock music, and ito po ay dedicated po to sa panibagong episode. So, Filipino rock music, OPM rock. So, pure Filipino rock. So, so, minsan din kasi, paano ba ito sasabihin ko na walang background natin? Filipino rock music. So, minsan din na-amaze tayo dahil, pa yung mga natin? Mike Hanna po, Pepper Smith. So, yung mga panahon ng 80s, sa mga 90s naman, so there's is Love Shock, Greyhounds, at sa mga modern days, so there's a lot. Sa akin itong top 10 na to, parang nahirapan ako dito sa paglilista dahil I am a big fan of rock music, especially on OPM rock scenes. And by the way, highway, sa naman po 15 minutos na naman po. At this is an episode 8 of my top 10 of the Imomantico, the fucking show. Top 10. And bago po naubusan ng oras, huwag natin patagalin pa sa mga rock enthusiasts dyan, especially on rock, Filipino rock music. This is for you. Hope you like it. This is the top 10. Let's do this. The top 10 ang nasa stage OPM rock band and icon. So, kinategorize ito based on my taste, based on their third appearance, sa mga talagang kung mapapanood nyo sa kalang live, talagang hindi pwede, hindi talaga magwawala talaga. So, sobrang lupit nito mga bandang ito, sa mga icons, sa mga musicians na to na especially. So, sino ba nang sasabi dyan? Isang malaking kalokohan na sasabi na patay na ang OPM rock industry. Pero para sa akin to, kaya ko po to showcase to para supportahan natin ang what do you call this? Ano ba sa Tagalog yon? Since ano ba sa Tagalog? Sa kalibutan ko na. Basta yun. Sa mga rock scenes, Filipino rock scenes. Eksena yun. Yes, eksena. Supportan natin ang eksena ng Filipino rock. Whatever. Okay. Well, rock and roll. Huwag natin patagilin pa. Here we go. At number. Okay. Message po tayo. Okay, may mag-message. Well, here we go. At number 10. Here is the top 10 ang sa stage OPM rock bands and icons. At number 10, Gayuma. Hindi po yung lintik na kanta ni Gayuma na lintik na kanta ni Gayuma. Bullshit na Gayuma yang Abra. Di yung Gayuma. So bago po sumikat yung Flip Top, may Gayuma band na po. That is based on Tanawan City, Batangas. Na hindi mo bullshit. So Gayuma band, they based on, like I said, they are formed in 2005 na based on Tanawan City, Batangas. At ito po mga bandang ito ay binubuo na on vocals, Nino Mar Tapia on vocals, Angelo Hermino Vivas III bass, L.A. Dacuya drums, Dan Carlo Magpantay guitar, at yung late guitarist nila which na fortunately na was died on 2015, the brother of vocalist of Gayuma band was J. Mar Tapia. So, di-replace po siya ni Dan Magpantay. And, so, ano sasabi ko to sa Gayuma band? So, fortunately, kung madalas kasi ito is kung kayo ay nagagawin sa may Tanawan City, Batangas, eto madalas ito parang naging nila yung tribute nila yung sa Tanawan City mo. Hindi ko nakakamali, December 30, every December 30, since nanalo sila sa 2007 Music Laban. Actually, they are the champions sa Music Laban on 2007. So, every December 30, kayo na lang humusga dahil sobrang angas at ang lulapit ng bandang ito. Especially of Nino Mar Tapia. So, yung pagiging groovy niya at saka yung influence niyang bandang ito was based on late Carl Roy na POT, a band called kapatid na vocalist na which is passed away on 2012 and on March 13, 2012. So, rest in peace, Carl Roy, and also the late J. Mar Tapia. Well, Gayuma band was formed on 2005. So, napakalupit ng bandang ito dahil para sa akin, when you watch them live on street, kasi in humble beginning, isipin mo, 2005. So, 2 years. 2 years and then they decide to compete into higher prestige rock band competition, which is the Red Horse Music Laban. Akalain mo, at sa awa naman ng Panginoon Diyos, the tear, blood, and sweat nagbunga rin. So, Music Laban champ Gayuma. So, just I give you a big loud of applause for them. So, they are really rock. So, shout out po kay Nino Mar Tapia. Keep on rocking, man. Well, here we go at number At number 9, Chico Sai. Isa po na naman po sa pinaka-favorite ko po ang Chico Sai na based on Manila. They are also an Atenista na original genre po nila ay new metal or rap metal. If you Chico Sai was original name was Chico Science. Dahil kaya nila binago pangalan nila dahil meron silang kapangalan na rock band, na Brazilian rock band with the same name, the Chico Science. So decided to be shorter to choose Chico Sai. Well, anyway, so si pinaka-idolize ko to si Miggy Chavez, Calderon, Mong Alcaraz, and some are, I don't know. Just forget about it, man. Oh, no. They still my idol, man. So, sila yung ng iba. Talaga yung pinaka-breakthrough nila, yung first single nila, yung Sink or Swim, na nanalo sa NU107 Award. And also, they returned back to change their genre. Na pinalabas naman nila yung kanilang first na kanilang I mean not also the first, yung first transition ng kanilang genre through their old gold days na and new metal to rap metal na naging I think emo to punk something na A Promise na miss malupit din. Saka yung actually ito yung Chico Sai kasi pure English. So, kung i-categorize mo sila, pwede sila pang international, which is nanalo naman sila way back on 2000, I guess, correct me if I'm wrong, 2010 o 2009 sa MTV Asian Music Award na in-award naman na mismong Pussycat Dolls na si Nicole Scherzinger as the malapit talaga MTV Music Awards, man. So very much prestige about the Chico Sai. And also meron sila first Tagalog song na ni-rate nila. So malapit din na kalimutan ko na ang title sa Tagalog, i-search na lang kay parang Google. So meron silang kinover na one of the song of the E-Heads na magazine, which means na napakalupit. So very versatile tong bandang ito. So here we go at number 8, Even Ben. Then malapit naman ito maubos yung ating 15 minutos. Isang madalian to, baka makukulangan yata tayo ng oras sa 15 minutos. Baka magkakaroon tayo ng part 3 nito. Well, anyway, highway. So, Even Ben was composed of from vocal, Tris Reyes on vocal, Jam Bumanlag on guitar, J.L. Siskars on bass, Dan Allen on drums, and they are music laban grand champion on 2008 na parang sinundan nila yung pagkapanalo ng Gayuma. And also they also won on the prestige Battle of the Band Converse Get Loud on 2013. So Tris Reyes was also a DJ on Rockstar Radio, and also very much hot chicks talaga. So kanyang pinaka-paborito ko na music video was Venus. She also can ground, she can also do some crazy stuff on stage. So wala naman tayong oras mga kaibigan. So talagang bitin talaga. Bigyan talaga itong top 10 ang sa stage OPM rock band icon. So stay tuned for more na lang po tayo. This is Imong Mantico, the fucking show will signing off. So stay on rocking, man. So love that music. Supportahan natin na eksena ng rock and roll sa Pilipinas, man. Here we go. Rock on.